colored blanket game, okay? We have here 3 blankets. I'll show you the blankets. First blanket is colored. What color? Colored green. Very good. Oh, this is the hardest part. Huh? Okay. Let's move this here. Yan, okay. Bago-bago pa yan. Next one. What color? Louder. What color? Color green. Very good. And the last one. What color? Very good. Okay, you like to stay in the game? Alright. Okay, that's enough game. That's enough. Okay, kids, you're going to stay in the game. Okay? Every time the music plays, I want everybody to go around the circle. Can you do that? Kaya ba yung kids? Okay. And when the music stops, I want you to hide inside the blanket, okay? Under the blanket. Don't worry, it's clean, okay? I just watched it earlier, okay? You can even smell it, okay? So kids, are you ready? Louder! Okay, let's practice. Music, please. Everybody, come on! Okay, that's just a practice. Everybody, let's give a big hand for the kids. Wala pa naman natin yung kids. Yan. Galing naman ang mga kids. Okay, then. Form a big circle. That's just a practice.